Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechSoul blog. This is me Rahul here. And in today's video, we're doing a quick unboxing and hands-on review of a premium-looking budget-friendly IEM, which is Ear Acoustic ST-AK. These in-ear monitors come in under the $40 price range, and for that price, they offer some really interesting premium design and sound performance. I have dropped the purchase link in the description below, so feel free to check it out after the video. Now, let's quickly dive into the unboxing and see what do we get inside the box. The box feels premium and has a shiny design, with some key specs and details mentioned on it. After opening the box, the first thing we see is the earbuds itself. Next up, we get the cable. It has a standard 3.5mm headphone jack on one end and two pin connectors on the other to plug into the left and right earpieces. The cable feels sturdy, with good overall build quality, and the length is adequate for daily use. It uses oxygen-free copper, which is claimed to deliver better sound quality. The package also includes additional silicone ear tips in various sizes, allowing you to choose the pair that fits your ears most comfortably. Finally, we get the user manual, which provides all the technical specifications and guidance to use the ST-AK IEM. Now, coming back to the earbuds, the first thing that really impressed me is the design. These IEM has a distinctive glass-like transparent shell paired with diamond-cut detailing, giving it a jewelry-like premium feel and a modern, stylish look. It's lightweight and ergonomically designed, which makes it extremely comfortable to wear, even for extended listening sessions. Inside, the Ear Acoustic ST-AK is equipped with a 6mm composite diaphragm dynamic driver designed to improve vocal clarity and instrument separation. And the 10mm dual-magnet beryllium-coated dynamic driver enhances bass extension and overall dynamic response. After testing the IEM at multiple volume levels, I was impressed by how well the ST-AK performs, especially considering its price point. Thanks to the dual dynamic drivers, the bass is punchy and well-textured. It doesn't bleed into the mids, which is a big plus. The mid-range, especially vocals, come across clean and natural, especially in acoustic and vocal-centric tracks. The highs are crisp without being overly sharp, giving good clarity to instruments like cymbals and strings. So overall, for an IEM in this range, the soundstage is surprisingly wide, with decent imaging that helps you pick out instruments easily in a mix. These are not just for casual listeners. The ST-AK shines for genres like rock, EDM, and even classical, thanks to its dynamic driver setup. Whether you're streaming on your phone or using a dedicated DAC amp, it performs consistently well. I've been using this IEM for a while now, and I'd say the Ear Acoustic ST-AK Dual Dynamic Driver IEM is an impressive set for its price. It balances fun, engaging sound with solid technical performance, making it a fantastic choice for both beginners stepping into the audiophile world and seasoned listeners looking for a reliable daily driver. Honestly, for this price, the ST-AK is an absolute steal. With its premium, jewelry-like design and impressive sound quality, I definitely suggest giving this IEM a try. If you're interested, you can find the link in the description below. So that's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to the TechSoul blog YouTube channel for more gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.